Oh my Lord.
This is a Ryan Little production.
Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to a pretty cool car show, but we stopped off to get the Trackstar MediaWorks Camaro washed, and look what happens to be next in the bay over here. Another Camaro. That's right. New school, old school. Oh my God. I'm Ryan.
I'm Ron.
Very nice to meet you, Ron. I really like it. The color is just absolutely phenomenal.
Yeah, there's a lot of pearl in it. It changes.
Yep, absolutely. Well, guys, I could tell you, we all love the new Camaros on the channel, but boy, when we see the classics like this, they just get my jollies going.
There's not one pollution device on this.
Yeah.
The way it came.
Way it came. Oh, and love this. We definitely agree with this. Frequently sideways.
Oh, and it is.
Yeah, that's for sure. No, I don't take much to break these loose.
Nope.
I've been behind the wheel of a few, but boy, what a pleasure, man. Well, I'll let you get back to washing.
Yeah,
nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Alrighty, good morning and welcome to the channel. Like I said, we just got done washing the car, and today we are at a Porsche show here at my buddy Nick's Custom Detailing. Look at all the goodies we have here today. Oh my Lord. This is absolutely beautiful. This looks like a brand new GT3.
doing our thing, and we're all going this way. We have
Love the color. That's gorgeous. We might as well just go on down the line. Looks like we got a turbo over here. Yep, 911 turbo. Classic white, looks great. Parked next to a beautiful Carrera. Just check these things out. Well, that looks nice. This has always been one of my favorites, the 997.
No, he did. He was doing that because he
That looks great.
But he just graduated with his MBA and he was doing that job. You're right. He was doing that, and then
Yeah, 997's nice. Going on down the line here. Oh, we have a new 718 Cayman S. That looks great. Check that out. That looks awesome. PDK. And then check this thing out. I really like this. Oh, and of course, what we had in our plans, an LS in it. And then this color, it really doesn't show up on camera too well, but boy, do I like this Nardo gray that this Porsche makes. Beautiful spec. Yep, that looks good. We're just gonna keep on taking you down the row here. Ben will be here in just a little bit. We're gonna go look at some of the classics over here. Love this. Potential. So make sure y'all comment down below here which one y'all would take home. There's so many choices and variants here. All red interior in this with the all black Cayman S. That looks great. Then coming over, we got a 911 Carrera S convertible here. Be able to give us some really cool perspective inside. Great spec. Then 911 50. Wow. Check this thing out. Wow. I don't think I've actually seen one of these in person yet.
No, it's yellow calipers.
Absolutely.
It's got the power.
And then if you check, look at the interior here. Boy, this is just clean. Yeah, that's really nice. First time I've seen one of these in person. Then we got ourselves an old school turbo here. That looks nice. And then check this thing out. Love the color. So what a cool comparison. You got the 5.0 over here, and then you have a 911 Carrera GTS side by side. It's kind of a cool comparison. I do love the chrome trim. You see the chrome trim over on that one over there. Compared to this one, I like the chrome for some reason. Going on down the line. And then a shameless plug for sale. Oh yeah. And then we've got the Targa over here. This looks great. White with the red, probably how I would spec it. And then, of course, room for your 1 1/4 child in the back with no legs. Awesome looking glass back. Yep, like that. 911 Targa 4S. So this is the all-wheel drive variant too. Nice spec. And then, wow, oh my Jesus, the color. It's so pretty. Wow. Bet it sounds good too. Another 911 Carrera S. PDK. Oh, and then we got someone with some balls over here with a manual.
I'm riding my bike.
But I do have to say, after all of them, I think that the 5.0 would have to be my choice here. Absolutely. Good choice. Hi, I'm Ryan, man.
Mike
nice
Furley.
to meet you. Yeah.
So in 1963, the first 911 was displayed at the, I think, Frankfurt Auto Show.
Yep.
And then production started in '64. So 50 years later, in 2014,
They had the 50th anniversary edition.
50th anniversary edition, and they made 1963, since that was the year that
Wow.
the prototype was displayed at Frankfurt.
And that's what we were saying on the channel. I've never seen one of these in person ever.
Yeah, actually, well, this one's the only one I've seen.
Yeah.
Well, other than they came with the classic interior. I think back in the '60s it was called Pepita.
Yeah.
That design.
I love it. Kind of Volkswagen style,
Right,
old school
yeah.
Volkswagen style. It's great.
This car has the performance exhaust. It has the multi-trainer brakes.
It's got it all.
The Sport Plus chrono packages.
Just gorgeous. Chrono package over there.
Yeah, the interior, like the gauges are in green to like
match.
back in the '60s. That has the chrome trim on it. Like
That's
back
what
in
I
the
was saying
60s.
compared to the 911 Carrera GTS over there, was how much I like the chrome trim on this one compared.
Right. Yeah.
Just makes it pop.
Right. So that was in the wheels, like Fuchs-looking wheels.
Oh, okay.
I think this was the first time they used them when they came out.
Yeah. That's nice. Well, man, it was very nice meeting you. Thank you for your time.
Thanks.
Gorgeous car. Absolutely love it. I'm sure y'all are going to eat this one up in the comments. So then we're going to come over here and look at this GT3. Wow. It's got the cage in it. Full point harness. Oh, it's got the patina interior too. Aquaterra steering wheel. PDK.
Door if you want.
I can?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. I think if I was going to spec one, it would have to be spec like this compared to the other one we just looked at. It's got the carbon seats. Wow. Just an absolute gorgeous spec. Look at the suede and the Alcantara everywhere. Alcantara. Wow. It just looks phenomenal. 4.0. Phenomenal spec. Just a great spec. I love it. The right color, the right trim, the right details. It looks just great. And you can tell he drives this thing. That's even better. I don't know if I like this blue better or the old school blue over there. Both of them are really hard to pick from. I like this one. Old school BBS's on it. Love it.
How are you, sir?
Really like this. How you doing, man?
Good.
I'm Ryan.
Nick Chapman.
Very nice to meet you, Nick.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. This yours? Oh man, this thing is clean. Oh, and of course, finally, someone with a left foot.
You find a lot of left foots around here.
Yeah, yeah.
Heavy right.
It's the only way to do it. Absolutely. Well, Nick here, custom detailing, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I heard you're one of the best.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Can we take a look in your shop?
Absolutely.
Let's go do it. Oh, my Lord. Look at how pretty and clean it is in here. I love it. Wow. Everything is so pretty and shiny, and look at this beautiful, beautiful speedster here. Oh my God.
This is a Ryan Little production.
So of course, obviously they deal in very high-end detailing here. Nick said that they're pretty much a full restoration shop. They're known for their paint correction, ceramic coating, and everything else. But they normally spend 30 to 40 hours on a single detail on their basic, and upwards to 500 hours on a single detail. And we have this gorgeous Volkswagen over here. Just pretty. Alrighty guys, well hey, thank y'all so much for tuning in to another episode of Trackstar Media Works. My name's Ryan. Hey, if y'all are new to the channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and that big thumbs up, and don't forget that notification bell. If you need any awesome detailing or just want to come look at some cool cars, make sure y'all come hit up Nick here. Nick's Custom Detailing right here in DFW in the Mid-Cities. Y'all say bye to Ben and Nick over there. Bye-bye. Bye. Yeah. Bye. And we'll see y'all next episode.